Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today I will show you how to sync audio inside Davinci Resolve. So we use this whenever we have a different audio file to a video, like we have a video but the audio is recorded from a different device, then we use this trick. Follow these steps, it's really simple. So just you will need your audios lined up in your timeline like this. So just select all of your audio with your video and right click on it. So in this menu, click on auto align clips and make sure that you have this waveform in synchronize using and select this one from use track 1 and it will automatically sync your audio just like that. Now you can just drag it to one line to make it look like it's one audio, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.